I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the headset powered and the base connected. Do that now. Once docked, choose USB or optical based on your console or PC because signal path changes EQ and mic routing. Open the Astro Command Center app or use the headset button sequence to access on-device options. This lets you change EQ, mic monitoring, and mix. Make sure battery stays above 20% while you adjust to prevent shutdown. If pairing, follow the app prompts to detect the A50 and select the proper mode. Now focus on sound and voice. In Command Center, choose a preset or build a custom EQ by adjusting individual bands. Small changes like 3 to 6 dB shift clarity without distortion. Next, set the game versus chat mix. Slide toward game for immersive sound, toward chat when communication matters. Then configure mic gain, side tone, and the noise gate so your voice sounds natural. Use the app's voice meter to monitor levels. Once done, save a profile. Finish by saving your tuned profile to both the headset and the cloud, and label it for PC or console so you don't confuse settings later. Then check for firmware updates in the app and install them while the base has stable power. Updates fix bugs and improve latency. If things go wrong, reset the base, repair the A50, or roll back to a saved EQ. Testing on another device will isolate whether the issue is headset, base, or source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.